Hey guys, Chef Hawks here again. So we're going to be making some fried chicken today, and so we want to have a nice basic seasoning to season all of our different parts of the chicken that we've broken down and fabricated. So we're going to take a cup of regular salt, we're going to take a half cup of black pepper, we're going to take a half cup of garlic, and we already have a half cup of our fresh made onion powder as well. And then we're going to have a tablespoon of cayenne pepper as well. Just going to mix these all into the bowl. Whisk it up just a little bit to get them properly mixed in, and that's going to be ready to be able to season all our chicken up.